Hey Cassandra, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video that I was telling you about of the three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath, that as you see when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, they're the guys that pop up at the very first top, okay? The ads is basically whoever beats the highest gets the top, but we're talking about the organics right now. So by implementing these three things that I told you about, that I'm gonna tell you about, sorry, you'll be able to outrank your competition and securing those first two spots in no time. You may wonder why I make this video for you, and it's basically because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do it for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So that's why I make these free educational videos for business owners and I send it to them so they can have this information. And a lot of them, they like to take it and use it themselves, but some of them, they just call me and have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this as pure education, but if you like what you see, please give me a call or send me an email and we can chat. That said, let's jump into it, and I'm gonna tell you about the three main things the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top. That is content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be everything that is on your front page, okay? All the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. As you see, you have about 500 words. Usually, Google, for websites that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. As you see, Lars Remodel here, you have a lot of content with a lot of pictures, and when you paste it on the word counter, you can see that they have about 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So you want to do the same thing. These guys as well have a lot of content right here. So what you want to do is implement about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. Keywords are basically the terms that people look up on Google, like San Diego Kitchen Remodel and similar terms. Basically, the words and phrases regarding the services that you're providing. You make a research on which ones are the ones that people are looking up the most, and you drop them a couple times within that content. Okay. Second thing is backlinks. Backlink is basically a link to your website on a different website that drives traffic back over here. Okay, so when somebody clicks on it, it takes them here. And that works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And as you can imagine, you can get a backlink for any website, but not all backlinks are the same important. Okay. Google likes to see websites on your same niche vouching for you. All right. So it's more strong on the eyes of Google and more powerful than another construction company or another remodeling company gives you a backlink that if you get a backlink from a website that talks about food or about shoes. All right. So that's it. To check the backlinks here in Purple Room, we use a tool called Ahrefs. I can see right now that you guys, as you see, I put your website here, you guys have 5 referring domains. That means that you have five websites out there, sorry, that when you click on them, somewhere in the website, there is a link that brings you back over here. All right. When you see your competition, Lars Remodel, they have 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath 38. Why Miramar Kitchen and Bath with 38 is higher than Lars Remodel? Because they have a lot of content as well, like Lars Remodel, but also their backlinks are stronger. That's why they rank higher. All right. So how you can close this gap? As easy as you go through the backlinks of your competitors and you just copy them. You go through every single one of these pages and just make an account, put a link to your website on your profile, and that way you have all the bankers that they have. If they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. All right. So now on top of that, you add some extra ones over there, and you guarantee that you're gonna be beating them on content with those 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, and now on backlinks. Third thing I want to tell you about is citations. Citations is what gets you here at the very top of the Google Map pack. This is good because you can do it completely for free, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competition. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angels List. And for that, all you need to do is get a tool that lets you check how many citations your top competitors have, And in this case, what you do is you copy the ones they have, plus you add at least another 100, all right? I would do, for example, if they have 150, I will go with 300. So that way you ensure your top spot, and when they figure out that you outrank them, you can always go ahead and and start building more citations so they can never really catch up to you. Okay. Last thing, so let's make a little recap. You need 2,000 words of keyword rich content, those backlinks, healthy strong backlink profile that you can get by copying them and then adding some more on top, and then build more citations than your competitor, at least 100 more. All right. With that, you'll guarantee your first 2 spots over here and all that extra business and extra calls that they come with. If you're interested in getting this and doing this, I would really recommend you, either if you do it yourself or you do it with me, getting started as soon as possible, because implementing all this stuff takes some time. And the sooner you finish, the sooner you're going to be getting all that extra business and all those extra calls. So if you like what you see in this video, feel free to take all this information and apply it yourself. But if you want me to help you, give me a call or send me an email and I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching. And if you can give me a little feedback, it would be much appreciated. Have a great day.